Welcome to NDE HealthTech Academy. Today we're diving into Lesson 3, Why DevOps Matters. DevOps isn't just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how we deliver value. But why did the industry move this way? Let's look at the why behind the movement. Hello everyone, and welcome back to NDE HealthTech Academy. I'm Alexis NDE, co-founder of NDE HealthTech Solutions. In our previous lesson, we explored the DevOps lifecycle and learned how software moves continuously from planning and development all the way through deployment, operations, monitoring, and continuous improvement. Today, we're going to answer one of the most important questions in this course. Why does DevOps matter? If software was already being developed before DevOps existed, why did organizations around the world decide they needed a completely different way of building and delivering applications? Let's find out. Before DevOps became popular, most organizations used what is often called the traditional software development model. In this model, developers and operations teams worked separately. Developers focused on writing code. Operations teams focused on deploying applications, managing servers, maintaining infrastructure, and keeping systems running. Communication between these teams was often limited. Developers would finish building an application and simply hand it over to the operations team for deployment. Unfortunately, that's where many problems began. Developers would often say, "It works perfectly on my computer," but when operations tried to deploy the application, they discovered missing software packages, incorrect configurations, security issues, or infrastructure differences that prevented the application from working correctly. This resulted in delays, frustration, and failed deployments. Sometimes software releases took weeks or even months because teams spent so much time fixing deployment problems. Now let's imagine a real healthcare example. Suppose a hospital is introducing a new online patient scheduling system. Patients are waiting for the new feature because it will allow them to schedule appointments without calling the hospital. The developers complete the application and hand it over to the operations team. During deployment, the operations team discovers that the application requires a newer version of the database than the production servers currently have installed. Nobody documented the requirement. Deployment is delayed. Patients continue waiting. The hospital receives complaints. This type of situation happened every day in organizations before DevOps became widely adopted. DevOps was created to solve these problems. Instead of separating development and operations, DevOps encourages everyone to work together from the beginning of the project. Developers, operations engineers, security engineers, quality assurance teams, and business stakeholders, everyone collaborates throughout the software development lifecycle. This collaboration improves communication, reduces misunderstandings, and helps identify problems much earlier. Another major advantage of DevOps is automation. Instead of manually building applications, copying files between servers, running tests one by one, and deploying software by hand, modern DevOps pipelines automate these tasks. Continuous integration automatically builds and tests every code change. Continuous delivery and continuous deployment automate software releases. Automation makes deployments faster, more consistent, and far less prone to human error. Let's look at the biggest benefits of DevOps. First, faster software delivery. Second, improved collaboration. Third, better software quality. Fourth, increased reliability. And fifth, continuous improvement. Monitoring tools provide valuable feedback that helps teams improve future releases. Today, nearly every major technology company uses DevOps practices. Organizations such as Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Netflix, and countless healthcare providers rely on DevOps to deliver secure, reliable software at scale. Healthcare organizations especially benefit because patients depend on software being available, secure, and accurate. Whether it's scheduling appointments or managing laboratory results, reliable software directly affects patient care. Now let's move into one of our signature learning segments. Did you know that Amazon can deploy software thousands of times every single day? This is possible because of DevOps practices, automation, and continuous delivery pipelines. Instead of waiting weeks to release software, organizations can safely deploy small improvements many times each day. This allows businesses to respond quickly to customer needs while reducing deployment risk. Imagine a hospital discovers a security vulnerability in its patient portal. Without DevOps, engineers might spend days preparing a manual deployment. With DevOps, the fix is created, tested, and deployed in hours, ensuring patients receive a safer and more reliable experience with minimal downtime. Here's an interview tip. A hiring manager may ask, why is DevOps important? Don't simply answer, it makes deployments faster. A stronger answer demonstrates both technical knowledge and business understanding. A stronger answer would be, DevOps improves collaboration, automates repetitive processes, improves quality, reduces failures, strengthens security, increases reliability, and allows organizations to deliver business value more quickly. That type of answer demonstrates deep understanding. Before moving to the next lesson, see if you can answer these questions. What problems existed before DevOps? Why is collaboration important? How does automation improve delivery? Can you explain the business value? If you can answer these confidently, you're ready for Lesson 4. That brings us to the end of Lesson 3. In Lesson 4, we'll explore DevOps culture and mindset, where you'll learn why technology alone isn't enough to achieve successful DevOps adoption. Thank you for watching. I'm Alexis, NDE, and I'll see you in the next lesson here at NDE HealthTech Academy.